Good day everyone. So in this video, gagawa tayo ng guard zone. Okay? So first, we set up the radar. So north up tayo, then off center natin. Then we put the range to 6 nautical miles. Okay, to set up the guard zone, ito yung button niya, guard alarm. Okay, guard zone or guard alarm. So the purpose of the guard zone or the guard alarm is to create a zone sa area nung PPI mo in which dun para siyang bakod or wall in which kung merong target or echo na papasok doon is automatic na mag-a-alarm si radar, notifying you that there is a target approaching. Or some radars, ano nila, may auto acquire function. Okay, so how do we set up the guard alarm? First, i-right click muna natin yung ating Furuno simulator. Right click. So once na naka-right click na, we have our cursor doon sa loob ng PPI. Then we decide kung ilang miles. So for this setup, gawin natin 2 miles. So ilagay natin siya sa port side. After doon, ayan, naka 2 miles na yan. So 2.04. Yan, 2 miles in the port side. So yung gagawin natin, pagkatapos natin ma-set kung saan natin lalagay, i-right click natin ulit para lumabas yung cursor natin at i-click natin si guard alarm. Then a circle will be created. So dito, sa part na to, i-right click mo ulit, no, para pumasok na naman yung from here, papasok siya dyan. Okay? So once na na-right click mo na, pwede mo nang i-modify yung guard zone mo. So, gusto kong i-create is ganitong guard zone. But the outer na part is 2.5. So ngayon nasa 1.5 yan, i-adjust ko siya, gagawin ko siyang 2.5 sa labas. So yung magiging range nun is from 2 to 2.5 nautical miles, yung guard zone ko. So once na satisfied ka na kung saan niya siya ilagay, so that is the point. Right click ka ulit para lumabas and then you click again the guard alarm. So, kailangan mo siyang i-click para hindi na siya ma-modify pa or ma-fix na yung zone na yan. So when you right click, ganito mangyayari. Yan, naka-fix na si guard alarm. So that's how you set your guard alarm. So paano siya i-turn off? So to turn it off, you just need to press the guard alarm ulit. Then yun na yun. Turn off na siya. So nawala na siya. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something and good day.